Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Porsche Boxster. First, ensure your car is on a level, firm surface, and engage the parking brake. Locate the 4 specific jacking points, which are reinforced areas designed for this purpose. Using a low-profile floor jack, carefully lift the vehicle, then immediately place sturdy jack stands under the designated support points for safety. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. For the front of your Boxster, you'll find the jacking points just behind the front wheels, often marked by small indentations or reinforced pads. Carefully slide your low-profile jack into position, ensuring it makes full contact with the designated point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching for any instability. Once it's at the desired height, place your jack stands securely under the frame rails or other approved support points before lowering the car onto them. Moving to the rear, the jacking points are typically located just in front of the rear wheels, similar to the front. Again, use your low-profile jack and align its pad perfectly with the reinforced jacking point. Lift the vehicle smoothly and deliberately, always observing for any signs of imbalance or shifting. Once the rear is elevated, position your jack stands under the appropriate support points, such as the rear subframe, and gently lower the car onto them for secure support. Before working under your Boxster, always perform a final safety check. Ensure all 4 jack stands are firmly seated and stable on the ground, and that the car rests securely on them. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm there's no wobble. Your safety is paramount, so never rush this crucial step. For more great deals, and to find the link for those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.